Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to install a VMware and how to install a on top of VMware. I have my Google browser open. I'll just type VMware. I'll go with 15 version. I'll just click on download. You can directly download it from VMware. Click on this workstation 15.5 Windows. Just click on this download now. It will take a bit of time. Just wait for the download. If you're doing it for the first time, please do check this video and install accordingly. The total size is around 552 MB. Just pause over here. Guys, the download is completed. I'll just click on this. Ask for installation. Guys, if you are interested in DevOps and AWS training, you can click on our web link given below and you can fill the contact details. We'll soon get back to you. And we're also providing interview preparation also. Please do check that. Just give a second. Just click on next. Accept the license. Click next. Click on this enhanced keyboard driver. Next. I don't need this for the product updates on the startups. I don't want to join this VMware customer experience. I'll just uncheck it. Next. I want it on my desktop and as well as my startup menu. Okay. Click on install. It will take a bit of second. As it is completed, we click on license. I'll just go to Google. I click on VMware 15. Click on license key. First pop up with GitHub. Click on this GitHub. You have a license keys over here. Just copy this license key. I'll drop a link below so that you can copy that. Click on enter. That's finished. It's asking for restarting. I'll just stop over here and we'll have a next session.